Today we're going to talk about how can you go from a prospect or a client call to a pitch deck in like 15-20 minutes. We're going to use 4 AI tools today. The first one is called Fathom.ai, or you can use any other call transcription or recording tool that gives you a summary and a transcription of the call. I personally use Fathom.ai. So we'll use this for transcription. Then the other LLM that we can use is ChatGPT. I personally use ChatGPT and Claude, but you can use any other LLM that you have subscriptions to. This LLM will be basically used to give you an MOM, an action item out of the meeting. Additionally, it will also give you an idea of how can you prepare a pitch deck. Third tool we're going to talk about is Gamma.ai. You'll give this recording or the details to Gamma on how to create a deck, and Gamma will automatically prepare a deck. It is one of the best tools that I've ever used. It has some free version of it, but you can also upgrade to a paid version if you regularly create deck and pitch deck for the prospects. The fourth tool that we're going to use is Canva, because Gamma gives you a great deck, but it does not follow your brand guidelines and brand layout. So for that you can use Canva. It took us like 15-20 minutes to create the entire deck, so I'll walk you through that journey shortly. But I like to also focus on take we used to do this before all these AI tools. So first there was a person taking meeting notes. That person used to take meeting notes, discuss with the entire team, come up with a format of what needs to be done, and then that somebody used to lay out the structure of the deck. Then it had multiple reviews. It used to take a minimum of like 2 to 3 days for us to get this pitch deck prepared. But today we'll walk you through how we can do it step by step. Let's dive into the demo now. So I'm inside my Fathom.ai. This is my note taker. You can use any of your note takers. We just need to use a transcript. I'll go to, if you're using Fathom, just go to your transcript and copy a transcript right from here. And then move to your LLM. I am using ChatGPT. You can use a ChatGPT, Claude, or whatever we have subscriptions for. So I'll say, okay, act as an MOM expert and create an MOM action plan following this transcript. Let's paste the copy transcript here and hit enter. So it starts spitting out the MOM, gives you all the attendees, introduction, and whatever we spoke about in the meeting. And there you go. Now I'll say create a pitch deck out of this. So it'll like create a slide by slide deck for me, like ideas, not a deck. There you go. Now I just need to copy this up. You can use this to copy it up. Go to your Gamma. Gamma is basically an AI tool that helps you create deck from an outline or a brief. It'll just take seconds to do it. Let me show you. Click on generate from notes or an outline. Click generate from prompt. Now it will give you a slight outline, and then it will say, I'm currently using a free version from a demo perspective, so it says 10 cards available. If you have Pro, it won't show you that. Go there you go. Look at how it starts creating the deck, seamless. And then you have themes out here. You can use multiple themes. You can change themes, colors, whatever you want to do with it. Look at it. This is really great, right? But from our branding perspective, this was not what we want. We like really detailed branding, so this is not something we can use. If you can use it, that is like really great. You can go here, I think, yeah, and click on export. You can export it into whatever format you want. For us, we just you can just export it out here, and then you can go to Canva, upload it, and make some tweaks. I'll show you what we did. So this is the deck that we presented to the customer. We added a little logo here. We added some sort of branding. So that is the color and the theme that we follow internally. So this works really great for us. Actually, it takes like 3 steps to do it. That is Fathom, ChatGPT, Gamma, but in case it's very detailed and follow your brand brief or guidelines, color coding, and things like that, you can definitely use Canva. You can also upload your brand themes on Gamma, but I don't think it works really great for us, at least, right? So this is that's all for today's session, and thanks for joining.